Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi egg. To begin, you will need 4 large eggs, about 3 tablespoons of dashi stock, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. For cooking, have a tamagoyaki pan or a 10-inch nonstick skillet ready. Also, keep some vegetable oil and a folded paper towel nearby for greasing the pan between layers. Having all your ingredients and tools prepared makes the process much smoother. Next, let's prepare our egg mixture. Crack 4 large eggs into a bowl. Gently beat them, ensuring the yolks and whites are fully combined without incorporating too much air. Then, add 3 tablespoons of dashi soup stock, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Whisk these ingredients together until the sugar is completely dissolved. This careful mixing is key for a smooth, consistent texture. Now for the cooking. Heat your tamagoyaki pan or skillet over medium heat. Lightly oil the entire surface using your oiled paper towel. Pour in about 1/4 of your egg mixture, tilting the pan to create a thin, even layer. Once the egg is about halfway set but still slightly wet on top, use a spatula or chopsticks to carefully roll it from one end to the other. Push the rolled egg to one side, re-oil the empty pan space, and pour in another thin layer, allowing some to flow underneath the cooked roll. Continue this layering and rolling process until all your egg mixture is used, building up a beautiful, multi-layered omelet. Once complete, remove the tamagoyaki from the pan. For a perfect shape, you can gently wrap it in a bamboo sushi mat while it's still warm and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Then, slice your sushi egg into 1-inch thick pieces. Serve this delightful, subtly sweet Japanese rolled omelet warm, perhaps alongside some grated daikon radish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.